What is good, YouTube and friends, and welcome to the first episode of NFT Saturdays, where I bring you a video about NFTs every single week, every single Saturday. So if you like NFTs and you like making money online through cryptocurrency, consider leaving a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you do enjoy the content today. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about the Sandbox, and more specifically, the Sandbox Metaverse, giving you a little bit of context about what it is, how it is directly associated with blockchain gaming, how I personally feel about the SAND, the SAND token, one of the NFT infrastructure tokens, I suppose, that I've been accumulating for some time and have been seeing some really nice profits within. And I'm actually going to be showing you my 2 plots of land that I have acquired within the Sandbox Metaverse, as well as possibly even creating an avatar if we get enough time to do that as well. So for those of you that don't know, the Sandbox Metaverse is essentially a digital world. So if any of you out there have ever seen the movie Ready Player One, okay, you're essentially in this digital universe, and the Sand token itself is kind of like the currency for this digital universe, or this digital metaverse if you like. And within this metaverse there are plenty of things that can go on that can be used for marketing purposes. You can play games, you can create things on your land, you can even create your own games without even needing to have any game developer experience. Apparently, I haven't done that yet, but I'm probably going to make some more consecutive videos about that as well. And there's also capabilities to sort of do things like rent your land out, run these games, do things on your land to actually gain passive income from your land in this digital metaverse. So you can make money, you can play games, it's all on the blockchain, and it's super, super cool. So let's take a look at it right now. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are on Sandbox game here, okay? So now, if you're interested in getting amongst the Sandbox, because it's free to make an avatar and to create a profile, I will leave a referral link in the description of this video. You'll be supporting the channel if you do use that referral link as well, and you'll be able to get amongst the Sandbox community, okay? So I guess from what I understand, the first sort of metaverse community, or the biggest one, is Decentraland, okay? But in my personal opinion, I think there's going to be market share for more than one successful metaverse. It's going to really depend on, I guess, the quality of gameplay and just simply how fun it is. And that's what I really enjoy about NFT blockchain gaming, okay, and NFTs within these blockchain games, that it's a simple concept and it can bring along a lot of mainstream adoption. All right, there's no complexities about various blockchains and different sort of technologies within blockchain, the boring stuff that the average person doesn't want to hear about it. The average person that just wants to have fun, maybe play a few games online, and possibly earn some passive income while doing so. I mean, how good is that? Why not? So let's just have a bit of a run through this little website here. So we are on the profile page here, ladies and gentlemen, and one thing I really like about the Sandbox here is it actually automatically will connect to your OpenSea.io account. So I would highly advise you to create a MetaMask account if you don't have one already, and the Sandbox and OpenSea both do run on the ERC20 blockchain, which is already automatically connected as your default on the MetaMask wallet, okay? But make sure you save your private keys when you're doing that one, guys, and I'll also leave a link for MetaMask, the right link, in the description of the video. So this is my profile page here, guys. I set up my little display picture here so people can sort of identify me. Satoshi Aoki, all right, got my email there if you want to get in contact with me there as well. And this is a blank spot here for my avatar, all right, which I haven't created yet. We're going to be doing that at the end of the video, so make sure you stick around to see that, me creating my free avatar for the first time. It's got your wallet address, guys, so that's actually my MetaMask public wallet address there. So if you feel like sending me some Ethereum, that's the address there, guys. You can send me a donation there, okay? So that's the profile section, guys. Now I'm going to head over onto the actual inventory section, okay? Now, remember I was saying to you before about how OpenSea connects to the Sandbox. If I'm getting verified items on OpenSea that are verified as Sandbox items, then I'll then be able to see them on Sandbox automatically. So I actually discovered that and I thought that was pretty cool. So for example, the first one here, and the only asset, and actually I think this is actually the first NFT I ever bought, was the Binance Cyborg, guys. So it's got a rare tier here, okay, and I'm still kind of getting to grips understanding all the different functionalities and things like that, but it looks exciting off the surface. So if obviously the Sandbox Metaverse is still not even up and running. It's very much in sort of its early sort of beta phases and things like this. It's in early stages, but if they can pull this off with the style that they're going for, I think this could be an absolute bombshell, guys. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are not financial advice, so always do your own research before investing. So as you can see, the view in 3D here of the Binance Cyborg, which I bought through OpenSea, and he's got little moves here, idle combat, I think that's how he looks on OpenSea, got heavy attack, And so all these little automations, which is pretty cool. Air attack. Right, it's just a bit of fun, guys. A bit of fun. Okay, so we've got the Binance Cyborg there. I said he was rare. He got 18 power, got 8 speed. He's an entity. You know, that's his type. He got 2,750 available copies of the Binance Cyborg. His behavior is an avatar, and he comes under the tags of machine, technology, and humanoid, and he belongs in the sci-fi biome. Okay, so some more information about creating an asset, and you can actually share there as well. So if you actually just go back out of this here. Now this is what I want to show you. It's pretty cool, guys. So I also bought these 2 pieces of land through OpenSea on a resale, so I wasn't able to actually get into the Sandbox and, you know, purchase the land, you know, fresh. I actually bought these 2 pieces of land, and this first piece of land here, the premium land, I didn't actually know that it was a premium land, and I didn't actually know that it actually comes with some NFTs on the land that I'll be able to see once we can actually get into the Sandbox Metaverse and start sort of getting amongst it. And did you know you can also stake, or you'll be able to stake Sand token on your land? I don't know what we're going to be getting in terms of the APYs in the process, but I'll very much be keeping you updated. So give me a like, guys, if you want to see more content like this, okay? So as you can see, folks, now this is going to be pretty cool if you haven't seen this before, okay? So we're going to view this in the map. So we can actually view my location, guys. So this is the Metaverse that we are looking at now. And remember I said it was a premium block of land, as you can see here. All right, so what comes with the premium block of land? I get a millipede, which is legendary. I get Agent X. I get the Binance Cyborg, the Bentley Bear, and an Atari VCS from 1980, okay? So I might just go into one of these, or maybe I'll pick the Atari VCS from 1980. So as you can see, it's got all these statistics, 10 luck, it's an entity type, 4,000 available copies, all right? And I guess it's just a little, I guess it's an Atari. I guess I just get an Atari. I mean, how cool is that, guys? How cool is that? You can't tell me that that isn't cool, guys. It just is, okay? So if we go back, we won't have a look at all the other little NFTs, but essentially, guys, these are all individual NFTs, okay, within the land itself, or that comes with the land itself, which is also an NFT. So I believe that I will be able to, you know, see these different NFTs assets on this actual land here, okay? So as you can see, guys, if we zoom in, see the little red dot there? That's me. All right, so if I click on that, it comes up there. Satoshi Aoki land -167, -151. They're the bearings and the location there, guys. That is my land right there. I'm right sort of next to Binance. They've got a couple big plots here. And if we just quickly zoom out, guys, this is the, you know, the first and original Metaverse here. And we can actually see, you know, who else has got land here. Anybody a fan of BitBoy Crypto? He's purchased a big old bit there, yeah? Big old bit there from BitBoy Crypto. I might just X that so we can actually see, guys, yeah? So we've got Atari over here, guys. Big dogs, Atari over here, making a comeback through blockchain gaming. All right, so that's pretty cool, right? Atari, okay? And you know what really got me today? I saw that Tesla had actually invested in a few plots as well. So I think if we scroll over, yes, guys, here they are. Okay, so Tesla's bought a few big plots here. Okay, so they got a plot here, a plot here, plot here. They bought a few plots here because they know, guys, this is where people are going to be spending more of their time, especially with the Rona and everything like that. Okay, people are going to be spending more time in these kinds of digital metaverses. So these bigger companies kind of see it as an opportunity to market their products, create games, create experiences. Okay, in kind of like more of a kind of like a decentralized manner, and you know, giving a lot more opportunities to like sort of game developers and things like this. So I think this is pretty cool, guys. Roller coaster tycoon world. Okay, someone's even got a for sale sign here for rent. Okay, so you can actually rent this out. Again, I'm just learning about this, guys. So we're still getting used to it. All right, Binance have got big market share here. We've got coin market cap here. We've got on sale at OpenSea. Okay, so that's a plot. So I think if you get like a certain amount of plots, you can then put your branding on it. As far as I'm aware, I think that's kind of how it works. But as you can see, there are lots of influential sort of businesses and sort of coins and sort of influencers that are actually getting amongst this. And folks, we just have a quick look at my other piece of land, which is unfortunately not premium, okay? And just a quick FYI, guys, bit of information. My land, I roughly bought one, which I'll show you, for 0.4 ETH and 0.3 ETH. Now they're going for like double the price on OpenSea. So that was definitely a good investment that I'm pretty happy that I did get amongst there. And I purchased that on OpenSea, which I will show you. So let's just have a quick look at my other plot of land. That one's actually over here, guys. Okay, so we click on that. There it's me, Satoshi Aoki. So I don't know if I can actually change. Maybe I can still, maybe I can, actually I can change a JPEG. That's pretty cool, that's pretty cool. So I can actually change the JPEG there. So maybe we'll try and add an image, guys. Why don't we try and add an image? I literally didn't know that this was something that I would be able to do. But if we just go into my pictures here. Alrighty folks, I just stumbled across this, didn't even know I could do this, okay? So I've actually edited my land here. It's got the picture there. I might need to play around with resizing that image, but Satoshi Aoki, YouTube channel, NFT collector, yield farmer. We're gonna save this. Guys, so that's it there. As you can see, all right, that's the location, the plot there, and let's view it in the map. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. So you can't actually see it on the map looking down. I think you still have to have a specific amount, but if someone does click over it, you're able to see that I do own this land. Pretty cool, right? Alright folks, so I've actually renamed this land here as Satoshi Aoki. It actually fits better on the premium here, and my assets here that are included actually come up there. I don't know if that's an extra Binance Cyborg. I don't know if it means that I've got 2 Binance Cyborgs there or not, but we'll have to just check that out, guys. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so we've checked out my assets, we've checked out my lands. I don't have any estates and I don't have any experiences up just yet. So let's go over to the avatar section, and I've got a rough idea of what I want to create as my first free avatar. I'm not sure if it's a case if you got to make multiple avatars, or you can kind of edit it, or if you save it, then that's it for good. But it is a free experience, so let's go in and have a look. So I'm gonna be honest, I don't love the avatar creator free section here. I think it's a little restricted. It doesn't look amazing to me, okay? But I guess, you know, it's always room for improvement. Alrighty folks, so sometimes to load this, I think it just might be my internet connection. It's a little bit slow, so I'll make sure to chop a few edits in here just to speed it up for you guys. But this is sort of the basic starting avatar I suppose here, okay? Got some pre-designs here where the list is empty, okay? I'm not sure if that's meant to have any in there now. I had a bit of a scroll look through the heads, guys. They're kind of all a bit boring, except, you know, maybe the alien head. So I'm gonna go for the alien head. So that's the alien head there, folks, all right, the alien male head, and then we're gonna scroll down and have a look at some shirts, okay? So didn't really see too many interesting shirts. Yeah, look, I don't know, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not loving a lot of these torsos, if I'm being completely honest. I'm not loving them, so I think we're just gonna go for the topless torso just to have a bit of fun, the fighter male torso. As you can see here, okay? Bit of a UFC fighter, or maybe like a wrestler or something like that. Then we're gonna go on to the pants section, okay? I'm gonna have a look at the right pair of pants for this young fella. I think we might be going for the short shorts unless we can find something a little bit more appealing. What do you reckon about this one, guys? The beach girl legs, okay? Just full on spandex. Or we could go for something just a little bit more modest, the Z-boy legs, okay? We got the purples interacting. I actually don't mind that, Purples got interacting with the greenness here as well. That could be a call. Got the chilly guy legs. Yeah, I don't know, maybe not really a fan of them. Chill guy legs, I don't know, they don't look too chill for me, guys. I think we're gonna be going for the Z-boy legs. All right, folks, let's go down to the last section here. We're gonna choose the type of shoes here. I'm feeling the barefoot, guys. What do you reckon? Fighter male feet. Maybe the Z-boy feet, okay? Just to contrast the colors a little bit there. Alrighty, folks, I've made the decision. We're gonna go for the Z-boy feet. Let's save changes and see what happens. Save, try it now in the game maker. Ooh, okay, so let's go into the game maker. Never done this before. Craft your game, coding not required. The toolbox you need for your imagination to come to life. Okay, folks, so this is actually taken to the game maker. We're actually gonna create a game. So this is gonna be a video within itself, a long game. But as you can see, building games for the metaverse, anyone can build a 3D game for free, no coding required, contribute to a vast metaverse filled with amazing creations and experiences. And you can actually download the game maker, create for free, build and share, no code required. All right, and yeah, play to earn, free to play, okay? How to earn in the sandbox, play games, earn rewards, build games, monetize the games, all right? Create assets and market them. Pretty cool. Alrighty, folks, so that's it. My avatar is there. It looks like I can actually edit my avatar, so I don't have to stress too much, but that's what we're rolling with at the moment, ladies and gentlemen. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so just before we do wrap up today's video, I just quickly, as promised, wanted to show you my OpenSea account. As you can see up the top, I got 5 Pokemons, or should I say Pokémons, okay? So we've got the Uniaqua, the Unidragon, the Unickles, the Uniturtle, and the Unicur. These are my 2 plots of land. This is my Binance Cyborg. I've got a base Shadowless Eternity Boss Logic Drop First Edition, and a PokePets TCG Trust-based Time Warp. It actually has some utility too. So let me know if you want to see another video of me talking about sort of my OpenSea collection that I have started here, guys. I'm going to be making some videos about Pokemon as well, maybe one about PokePets as well. And also, I've been getting involved into the Gala Games community and the game on there that is coming. What's the name of that game? Mirandus, okay? Mirandus looks really, really exciting. Kind of like a new take on the old RuneScape that probably many of you have played before, that free game. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for today's video, guys. Let me know if you liked the video. If you did, just like the video. It's free to do, support the channel. Subscribe to the channel if you like videos about NFTs and making money online through cryptocurrency. And from wherever you are watching from in the world, I really do hope you have a blessed and most profitable day out there in the cryptocurrency sphere, and I shall catch you in the next one. Cheers, viewers.